Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Coinex and you're welcome to Coinex the producer. So today I want us to talk about AI. I know it has been a very difficult topic for the past year. Many people have different opinion about it. Many people agree to fuse it into their day-to-day use when it comes to producing music. So I simply want to show you guys this tool for those who don't know yet, but I know it's very popular. Then after the demonstration, I would also want us to now talk about it, share our thoughts, what we feel about AI. Do we believe it is going to take our job from us? Or do you think, or are you on the side of people that agree that we can work together, bringing AI with our human knowledge and then fuse it together to improve our skill? So this discussion is going to come after this demonstration, and that will be in the comments. So what I'm actually going to be showing you is how you can use this tool to transform your recorded voice into a finished track. This is where people 100% depend on AI processing, which I personally don't subscribe to because there are pros, there are cons to this, but we are going to talk about it towards the ending of this video. So without wasting much of you guys' time, introducing to you guys Suno. It's popular, but for the sake of those who don't know, this is Suno. It's AI music producer assistant, if I may put it that way. It is high quality, to be very honest. I will agree to that because listening to tracks made from this platform, you doubt if you can keep your job as a producer this time. But anyways, I'm going to show you how you can just use your sketch, your idea, and convert it into a full song. Then I will also tell you what I feel about it. We'll discuss the pros and we'll discuss the cons, how this can help us in the industry, and also how this can destroy us as producers in the industry. So now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into the account. I'm currently on the free plan. My subscription expired, so I subscribed to make a video about this, but I've been very busy, so it expired because it was just 1 month subscription. So inside Suno, the first thing you need to do is to head over to this create and click on it. It will bring you over to this section. Over here you can see the lyrics section. This is where you input your lyrics. This is where you give a description of the type of music and you put in the title of the music, and here you click on generate. Then if you are going for only instrumentals, you switch to instrumentals. It's not going to add vocals, alright? But today we'll be using this upload audio here. And if you check to this section, you see I've done some trial and error experimenting with it to understand, to see if this really can beat humans. So on this upload audio section, click on it, agree to the terms, and it will request you to record an audio. So I will engage it. It will also request you to allow. So let me quickly do that. As you can see over here. Alright, I've already done it before, so that is why, as you can see, it's capturing my vocals. So let's quickly come up with a simple sketch that we use for this demonstration. So let's say, tell me something. Show me way. Say. Alright, so let's just use that for the demonstration. Once you're done recording, you click on finish record. And as you can see, it included even things that are not supposed to be in the song. So I will just trim those ones that I don't need. Alright, so when we've gotten the section we want, you click on save trimmed audio. Give it a little time, and as you can see over to this section, you can decide to rename it. You can call this test. You can even upload image, as you can see. So it is done. The next thing we'll do is to click on confirm and save. All right, it is done. All right, there it is. So now we have the vocals here. So you can see the name test. The next thing we'll do is to click on extend. When you click on extend, it will send it to this section. So you can see requesting for the name and extend from 12 seconds. So it simply means that the recorded vocals we dropped is 12 seconds. So it's going to extend from 0 to 12 seconds to any length. But since I'm on a free plan, you're limited to the length of vocal sketch you can record and upload. So now about the lyrics, let me quickly come up with tell me something. And the next line, show me. Then another show me. Then the next line, something. Alright, I will leave it like this for now. But I discovered that prompting is very vital if you really want to get the best out of the generated song. You know, there are little tips and tricks like using some hyphen, using asterisk, semicolon and things like that. They actually mean something. There are signs to tell AI that should be a pause there. You know, there are a whole lot of things you need to understand about prompting, but we're not going to go into that. So if you don't want to create your lyrics yourself, you can actually use AI to do that for you. So let me quickly try that. Write with Suno. It will bring this section. Describe the lyrics you want or share a theme or topic. Alright, helping a brother in need. I think that is simple. Then I can also include the lyrics. I can say also use the provided lyrics. Then semicolon, paste the lyrics, semicolon, close. Alright, now on this section you can see I'm under Remily lyrics model. They have the classic. This is the most recent that is in beta now. So once you're done, you click on write lyrics. Interesting. And as you can see, this section it provided two different options. This one really utilized the lyrics I gave and then improved on it. This one didn't, but it gave a different idea, a different concept. You can actually decide to use both. So let me copy this one first, because I would like to use both and see, and have in mind the intention for this review is to really see if this cannot outshine humans when it comes to production and creating music in general. Alright, so let's accept this first one, and if you check over here, we now have it on the lyrics panel. Then we'll now see the style of music. So this is where you tell the style of music, reggae, afrobeat, or whatever, but I'm gonna try reggae. I will say rubber dub, reggae. Title, it has already said that. So once you're done with all these settings, you now click extend. Alright, so let's see what comes up and let's see the quality of the output. And as you can see, it is done, and it generates two different options for you. So let's quickly have a listen to see what it came up with.
Tell me something. Show me something. Tell me something. Show me something. Know the future, can't you help a brother in need? Just show the way, I'll pay know the future. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, tell me something. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Tell me something. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, tell me, tell me something. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Something. Know the future, can't you help? A brother in me.
I mean, this is scary, to be very honest. This is really, really scary. I wasn't expecting this quality, though I've experimented with this, but I recently figured out how to use your voice, your rough sketch, and transform it into a finished track. And the most scary part is I can hear my voice. It sampled my voice. Wow. Alright. But I'm not going to have this conclusion all by myself. The comment section is open for us to talk about this. But before then, for me, let's talk about the pros first. It is good because it's really going to broaden your creative mind when it comes to creating music, producing music, and it will also help you create fast. Especially when you have a session in the studio that is a paid session, this will really come in handy and make work a lot easier and faster for you, because if you know what you're doing with this, the prompting and the rest of it, you can easily get what you are going for. That is about the pros. Now, the cons I'm seeing here, there is a whole lot. This will really encourage laziness when it comes to music production. The existence of this in the wrong hands will end up producing 1,001 of dumb producers, lazy producers that will fully and solely depend on AI to produce. And in the absence of AI, all hell will be let loose. I believe you understand what I mean. Let's say something happens, the internet crashed, and or all these AI tools goes into extinction. So what do? You have no skill, literally. So I think to encourage this, there should be a balance. There should be a good balance. You need to work with the mindset that this is more like an assistant and not the main producer. All right, so that you don't depend fully on this. This can help you come out of a creative block, like you lack inspiration to move from the level you are to the next level. All those critical ideas that will take you like 1 hour or a whole day to come up with, this can easily assist you in getting them done. And not only about this platform, every other AI tool that we use, I think we should approach it in the mindset that it's assisting us and not taking the lead. So let me know what you think, guys. Let's discuss in the comments. And that will be it for today's video. Just wanted to bring out this demonstration to you guys, and as well open up a floor for a very matured and critical discussion that I believe will help the music producers community, so as to keep us on track. We don't lose it, to AI. As always, guys, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.